In today's video, I'm going to show you my live balance of how my Q4 is currently going. It's a very, very exciting time for Amazon FBA sellers. It's a very exciting time for all sellers, no matter what platform, bricks and mortar, wherever you are. Q4 is when you make your money for the entire year. And by God, I have done that. Welcome back everyone to Deal Hunters. I hope, of course, yous are all well. I've just realized the wrong hat. That's better. I was recording my other videos and I was wearing that hat, so yeah, just noticed that. Anyway, that aside, what we are talking about today is Q4. So for those that follow the social medias, I've been doing a lot of live videos. I did a video on Sunday with my family and my kids. We're all out, we're pitching in, we're having fun. I'm teaching them economics. They do a bit of work, putting labels on, packing boxes. I teach them how to do all that, and as a reward then I give them a couple of pounds each, in which they then purchase goods from me back. It teaches them the economics, and it's a great thing, and it's something that I was talking about with one of the customers the other day. You know, Amazon FBA can be tied in with anything. You can bring family in, you can teach them. There's a lot of parents that are signing up that just want to get into the business, but then I'm pitching it going, well, if your 18-year-old son, you say can't get out of bed, he's out of school, he doesn't know what to do with his life, well, you know, make him earn his keep, get him to do the boxes, you can do the negotiate with the suppliers, get them to do the labor. Oh, brilliant, good idea. So that's the good thing about Amazon FBA. You can kind of involve as many people as you want, you can outsource a lot of it, and it just depends. So I got a bit sidebar there. Well, before we get into looking at how my sales have been going, let me just tell you, I really went hard this year. This is my third Q4, and I have just went extremely heavy, probably too heavy on the toys, because I can already tell I'm going to have an overstock of potential goods, unless, you know, the next few weeks gets insane. Plenty of stock there for the new year. It's, you know, as you know on the channel, I have no problem holding stuff. I do it all the time. I just seen good deals and I just wanted them, and I'm still holding my prices. That's something that I was reluctant to do. I was panicking, oh, I don't want to be stuck with toys. Just that fear of, will toys sell? And as much as people tell you, oh, hold your price and toys will be fine, they sell all year round, you just in your heart go, no, I don't believe you. I want to sell. In my first year, I was just getting rid of goods for the sake of it. No, last year I knew I should have bought more. I knew come January, toys still sold. It's incredible. One of the best days I had, believe it or not, was it Boxing Day? The day after Christmas. Toys, couldn't believe it. So toys will sell all year round. So this year I'm holding my price and I'm commanding the best price that I can get from my goods. And yeah, look, I've got quite a bit of inventory. I'm not going to be silly. I will, as it gets a bit closer, maybe assess in maybe 3 weeks time where my inventory levels are at. But right now I'm holding, and I'm expecting the Q4 push to increase. Now, I have noticed the wider market, the economics of, you know, the world right now, inflation, and how mess of the UK economy just in general is. I do foresee it maybe not being a quote-unquote a fantastic Q4 for everyone across the board. I think Amazon's still going to be, relatively speaking, the superpower. That's where people are going to buy their goods. But I'm thinking about bricks and mortar. It'll be interesting to see the economics coming in, and I'm going to keep a close eye on that. We're watching market trends. But one thing that we're keeping an eye on as well is the new fulfillment centre that opens in Ireland down south. That's going to be huge, and I think I'll have a ripple effect for the UK as well, because a lot of people like myself that live in Ireland, we ship to the UK to use their fulfillment centres. Not that I will be using the Irish one because it's down south, it's the euro. But with that being said, will people that are down south shipping to England, maybe they'll go, okay, now I'll just do it down south. Will that make a difference to our sales? It's something that I'm keeping an eye on, and we'll be keeping an eye on that as well. So I'm looking forward already to the year ahead, as you can probably tell. I've got a bit sidebarred. Pretty much Q4's been phenomenal, comfortably by far being the best Q4 to date. Now in the last video I did a bit of an update. I brought it up here, as you can see. Did it from the 26th of September to the 26th of October. We were sort of making 32,000. My gross profit was just shy of £4,000 at that stage. So month effectively 1 of Q4 was fantastic. So I thought, well, what I'll do is I'll record from October till now, because we don't really have much more time on it. We're throwing about an extra 2 odd weeks on it just to give you an update. So I'm showing you exactly how from October 1st to today's date, which is the 13th of November, I'm showing you exactly how my Q4 has went. And as it stands, I'm at £6,685. That is from the 1st of October till the 13th of November. And in terms of weeks, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're not even 7 weeks, but say 7 weeks. 7 weeks. You're making almost £1,000 a week at this stage. Phenomenal. You know, you can see there are 3,276 units flying out. My estimated payout is going to be £30,000. It's just absolutely insane, and it's not a joke when we say this is when you make your big money. And you know, as you know, I'm a six-figure seller now. But I'm one of the lower ones in the Deal Hunter teams. It's a lot of hard work, it's a lot of graft, and it's a lot of pushing and really digging. But you know, you're doing it Q4, and like I said, my last delivery was yesterday. I've already packed them boxes. They're sitting in UPS's warehouse, and as of today, I'm done. I'm not going to be doing anything now for the next 2 months. I'm literally done buying. I'm just going to take the whole time off. I've worked really hard. I've other things going on in my life, and I'm just going to focus on that, enjoy my family time and everything that comes with that. That's me. That's my lifestyle. And people don't necessarily get that. Your health's your wealth. I don't strive to work anymore. I just want to work to do things that I'm passionate about. So for me to make that kind of money, and I can now go, actually, this is far exceeded. And here's the thing. That's today. All that stuff, that boxes I shipped today and yesterday and the day before, that's all they arrive in them warehouses. This is going to continue on. And so what we're pretty much halfway through Q4. We're at six odd grand, probably the busiest few weeks are about to come up, and then obviously it'll go quiet, and there'll be very little sales come around the 20th of December, so you've only really about a month or so left, 5 weeks left. There's no reason, it definitely will be over 10 grand, I don't even know, maybe 11, 12 grand in 3 months. Take it all day guys. So yeah, really happy. I would love to get your comments down below. How is your Q4 going? Some really good deals that have been shared in the deal sheet that I've been buying, and I hope you've been buying too. If you're in the deal sheet, you'll have bought them. And I just want to give a shout out to all the new members we're getting, and inundated with people from my local native. We do have English and Scottish and all sorts in the group, but Northern Ireland is really picked up over the last 4 or 5 months. We just seem to be getting inundated with people. And I know there's another seller out there that unfortunately has done a lot of shady stuff and have been burned. We're trying to help as many people through this process as possible. If you have any questions or you've been affected by other Northern Irish dodgy people, reach out to us. We can maybe help you, steer you in the right direction, whatever it may be. But again, shout out to all the new people that have taken this first step into either just basic reselling or their full wholesale course. We've a load of new members. We're really excited about next year, 2025. I really think that's going to be the year that we really come in and we really start collectively having groups of people smashing goals. So yeah, that's the video. I just thought I'd give you an update. Probably won't do any views as usual, but I'll chop this up and get it out in the socials, and that seems to be doing a lot of traction that way. So my voice is kind of going. Really excited. Can you beat £6,685 in the last 7 weeks? If you can, leave your comments. If you can't, leave your comments. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.